Meaning of furniture beetle.
Furniture beetle.
Furniture beetle.
Furniture beetle.
Furniture beetle. The furniture beetle, Anobium punctatum, is a common wood-boring insect that infests and damages wooden furniture, flooring, and structural timbers. The larvae of the beetle burrow into the wood, creating tunnels and feeding on the wood fibers. This can cause significant damage to wooden objects over time, leading to weakening and structural failure. Infestations are often identified by small, round holes in the wood surface and the presence of powdery frass or sawdust. Proper identification and treatment of infestations is important in preserving wooden objects and preventing further damage.